Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable the sidebar on your blog archive in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so for some websites, you might not have or want a search bar on your header. You might want to have a search bar here on the side, a calendar and categories and so on. So let's go ahead and enable a sidebar so it's easier to add those features to our page. Let's go ahead and click on Customize and enter the WordPress customizer. Okay, so we're here on our customizer now. Let's scroll down and under blog posts, let's click on that. And let's scroll down, and it's kind of hard to see, but you'll see we have page elements and we have sidebar. Let's click on that. And now you can see we have our sidebar enabled, and we have an arrow here to where we can choose whether we want the left sidebar or the right sidebar. I think I'll keep it here on the right side. And if you wanted to find out where your options were for the sidebar to customize it, we can click on sidebar here under general options, and we have a few different styles. This one looks good. We can change the width, we can change the gap. Okay, we can change the spacing, and we can separate the widgets between them, and we can make it a sticky sidebar, and so on and so forth. So that's how you enable it. Let's save our changes. Let's go ahead and reload our site. And you can see we now have our sidebar in our blog archive in WordPress blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.